Hi, and welcome. In the continued series around stakeholder management, we will continue with organizing your stakeholders as well as building up a RACI diagram. All through these videos, we've been using a case study. We will follow along with the exact same case study in this video. If you do want to get more information about the case study, please view the earlier videos. So in this class, we talk about stakeholder roles and responsibilities. Now, in our typical project or in a typical project, you have project sponsors, which is often an executive or senior manager who champions the project. You have a project manager that oversees day-to-day project operations and coordinates resources. And in addition to resources like yourself that do the analysis, there could be end users that provide feedback on requirements and often benefit from final product or service. So in our example, we had a couple of resources or roles on a project. We had the project sponsor, the project manager, the business analyst, the end users in the form of a marketing department. Each stakeholder group has specific responsibilities such as decision making, providing feedback, or supporting project activities. Understanding these roles clarifies who to approach for various project needs. So at the end of the day, you really want clearly defined roles and responsibilities in order to improve communication and accountability on the project. A good way of sort of capturing the roles and responsibilities is through a RACI diagram. So what is a RACI diagram or a RACI spreadsheet or a grid? A RACI matrix is a tool that is used in project management to clarify roles and responsibilities for tasks or deliverables. Basically, RACI stands for the following. R stands for responsible, that is the person who does the work to complete the task. A stands for accountable, the person who ensures the task is complete successfully, meaning the person that approves the work. Consulted is C, which is people whose input is sought to complete the task or decision. And informed is people who need to be kept up to date about progress or decisions. So basically, there's many ways of dicing and splicing a RACI. You could have the project roles on the left-hand side and tasks going from left to right, and you can identify who's accountable, who's informed and consulted. So let's take an example over here. Sarah, who was a project sponsor on our case study, is responsible for defining project objectives. In this case, she is accountable, meaning she basically spearheads the effort. The buck stops with her. The Alex, the IT manager, is consulted. Lily, the marketing lead, is consulted. The Raj, the data science lead, is informed, and the end user, that is the marketing and sales department, is informed. Let's take another line here. Approve final dashboard release. Sarah would be accountable. Alex, the IT manager, would be informed. Lily would be consulted, who's a marketing lead. Raj, the data science lead, would be consulted, and the end users would be informed. Let's take one example is provide training and support materials. So your project sponsor won't be responsible or accountable for that, so therefore she's informed. Alex is informed. Lily would be responsible since she heads the marketing department. Raj is informed, and the end users will be responsible. So think of the last activity as more of a training activity where your leads, your data scientists, or your development team would not be responsible, accountable, but essentially they will be informed or consulted. If you do like these videos, please do subscribe to this channel and look forward to continuing the stakeholder series soon.